In this video, I meet up with a famous YouTuber and we head into the woods, cook some crazy food, work on projects, and even have a sawing competition. What a blast! Stay tuned. So I got a guy showing up today. I haven't officially met him yet in person, but I've spoken to him on the phone a few times and messages and whatnot. He's a full-time YouTuber. He is what I consider to be an expert video presenter and editor. So he's coming to spend the weekend with us, and he wants to experience what it's like to live 100% off-grid in a cabin like this. But a ton of you guys watch this fella already. I'm looking forward to spending the weekend with him. We're gonna have some fun. Weather's supposed to be half decent. It's gonna be a good weekend. I think I just heard Jay pull in.
Hi. You made it. What a welcome. What a welcome. Chuck. We're there to fly.
Wow, nice to meet you.
Jay is going to set out a rabbit snare here now. So we're going to see how he gets any luck in the morning.
Chuck's showing me the way.
Yeah, have you ever put one out before?
I have not.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah. So this is a great experience for me.
All right, so we're back to the cabin now. I'm going to get some supper. I'm going to get my campfire going in the meantime. Beautiful day out in the woods. It's just starting to get duckish now. Just the right time to have a campfire. I just thought, why am I doing all the wood splitting? Jay knows how to do it too.
Oh, that's nice dry wood.
Yeah, that's the stuff that was burnt in the forest fire.
Team effort.
I almost feel like we're cheating.
No, so never cheating. God, that thing throws. Holy. Yeah. It's like sparklers when we were a kid.
Yeah. The GoPro, especially in the winter time, you take it out of your pocket 50 times a day. Cheers, buddy.
Yes, cheers. Wow.
You got the right voice.
Oh my gosh.
Well, after that, we just sat back by the campfire. What a beautiful evening. Chatted away for 2 or 3 more hours. Got to know each other a little better. We couldn't stay for too long, though, because I said to Jay, tomorrow's going to be a very, very busy day. So we need to get a good night's rest. See you all in the morning. You had a good sleep last night, Matt?
I did, yep. I slept, I would say, 8 hours solid.
Oh, that's wicked.
Yeah, didn't get up once throughout the night. Very comfortable. I was saying to Chuck, it's just like feels like a fancy ski lodge hotel in here, but not at the same time. Well, when I'm in the bedroom, I get that feel. I do. I get that feel. It's just lovely. It's just lovely.
I can't remember the last time I had 8 hours sleep in one night.
So what I do is, I can tell you do it differently than I do, and I do it the old news way.
Just got Jay making some alouettes there.
Yeah, this is awesome.
First time making alouettes, eh?
First time ever making alouettes, and they look amazing. Holy.
Now you just gotta roll them up, buddy.
Just roll them. And it would work with any meat, really, right?
Any meat.
You could do it with beef.
Yeah, ducks.
Ducks.
Any kind of raw meat at all, grouse, whatever. Jay, if I was to suggest you tasting anything, you must try these.
Oh my lord. Okay. Now I'm coming up here. And okay. Yes, okay, I see it. Right there. There's no rabbit.
No rabbit, eh? So no rabbits today. I'm going to continue to check Jay's snares, slips, and I'll let him know if he happens to get one or two. later on down the road. I didn't get one either, so it's okay. It's okay, Jay. It's okay. Jay said he's never tried Frankum before. Frankum is like a gum that grows on spruce trees like this, and it is extremely distasteful when you first try it.
Why are you making me do this?
But it turns into a gum, and you got to chew through it, buddy, and you will form gum. It cleans out your mouth, and you will not believe how much saliva your mouth will produce by chewing that.
I'm producing all the saliva right now.
Yeah. You're allowed to spit in the woods.
Whoa!
Yeah.
It's gum.
Yeah, it's gum. It'll keep going. Yeah, it'll be gum. All right, we're just up in the workshop here now and get Jay to help me with that snow groomer. Finish off this because they weigh a ton. I'm actually glad you're here.
Good. Happy to help for sure. I made a mess of that one.
That was good. So the issue we got here is this is not quite wide enough.
And then see if we're strong enough to bend this rebar out so it fits. I don't know if that's possible.
All right. Okay. Okay. Oh.
Oh, baby.
Let's kind of, yeah, if we do that, I can't go through. Oh yeah, right on through.
I'm afraid we're going to slide right off this thing here.
I think we got it.
Got her in there?
Got it, buddy. Woo! Awesome, man. That's a good job. I would never have done that without you being here.
That would have been a tough one, yeah.
Yeah. I'm feeling pretty good about this. This is super, super secure. Someone's got to say it, Jay.
It's not going anywhere.
That's
not going anywhere. Beautiful stuff, man. I love this. I love it. Like, I'm inspired right now. Because I've seen them on so many channels, and I've seen it on your channel. But when you're actually here, in it, it's a feeling. That's a lot of cheese. You're going to go for it, all of it?
It might be too much, but I don't know if that's a thing. Sweet mama. I was thinking about your channel now, Jay. You are a full-time YouTuber. Actually, you're the only full-time YouTuber that I've actually met. Did you feel like that was a gamble for you? How do you feel about that?
Yeah, it's definitely a gamble. I like to tell people that I'm going to have to work very, very hard to make it work. I gave up a really good full-time career, and so it wasn't an easy decision at all. Actually, it was a decision that was years in the making, and I had been thinking about it for, I would say, 3 years. How can I get there? How can I get there? Am I ready? Am I ready? And I got to a point where I thought, I don't know if I'll ever think I'm completely ready, so I'm going to do it now. I'm going to be a full-time YouTuber, spending a lot of my time at my cabin, at my tent, outdoors. Cheers. Thank you so much for the pizza. Huge mess.
Oh, that must be good.
Oh my God, it's unbelievable.
Is it pretty? I would never have 3 pieces of pizza.
Really? I thought you were serious.
As I'm eating my 3rd piece of pizza. All right, I've been looking forward to this moment for a while. I'm going to get Jay in the chuck wagon. Oh, he's having too much fun already. Too much fun.
I gotta floor it to get some speed.
Okay, don't be afraid, don't be scared. Put it right to the floor and go. Bye-bye tractor. He is so gonna want one of those now. You watch his channel, he'll have a tractor like that. I always line up this end. So it's about right there. All right, so we're all set up here. We're gonna have some fun now. I'm gonna make 2 cuts here. Jay is gonna time me. Then I'm gonna give him the saw and I'm gonna time him. Any bets?
I thought you were doing the whole thing. Yeah, I'm gonna add 30 seconds.
Okay.
I thought you were gonna do the whole, go across the whole way. Like this, right?
No,
Nope.
you line them up and they'll do about 3 full rows.
Pulling chips.
Yeah. But you'd be surprised, man. That's like, what's that?
He didn't make it all the way through.
Ladies and is that the one I cut?
That's a 2-second violation.
Ladies
right there.
and gentlemen. So, I was gloating, I won, but actually Jay found a lag that I didn't actually get through, so I think we'll call a tie.
I'll take a tie. I'll take a tie.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank goodness.
I knew something was up on that one. And look, barely. Barely.
Now he's going to say he won, right?
Well.
Well, Jay impressed me with his tractor skills, just like he did all weekend, in fact. And what a great weekend it was. We were so lucky to have him visit with us all the way from Northwest Territories. I invited my whole family down for some games, a campfire, and a huge feast. And we just chatted about all things YouTube, upcoming videos, and overall just wonderful stuff. Jay and I had more laughs off camera than we actually did on camera, and I truly felt like I've known him my whole life.
Is that perfect?
That's good, man.
Yeah, okay.
No.
No, give it off.
I am on Jay's camera. Over 5 tons for it.
Okay. Meaning what?
Well, I guess it's better than 4 tons. I want a 6 ton so bad.
Wrapping up, and what a great way to end it. Thanks so much, Chuck.
Thanks, buddy. Really appreciate you coming.
Yeah.
Really appreciate it.
Great. So,
We'll see you next time, guaranteed.
no. Thanks, Chuck.
Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. We'll be back really soon. That's what he says.
That's what I say.
2 things.
Yeah.
You got to come back,
Yes.
and I got to get to your cabin.
Yeah, I would love for you to come.
Right? Doesn't
Soon.
cost anything, right?
Oh, no. Oh, yeah. It's free flights to Yellowknife.
There you go. Okay. All right, guys. Until next time, take care of each other. Get outside and enjoy everything outdoors.
And until next. No, wait. No. Oh, no.
Flippers! We'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time. Guaranteed.
So until the next video, guys, take care of each other. Get outside and enjoy everything outdoors.
And we'll see you next time. Guaranteed.
Get outside and enjoy.